Cooking with FatMat's wife. Let's make some tacos.
Beautiful.
So I'm going to make some yummy tacos, and they're super easy to make. So these are the ingredients. And I love peppers, so I'm gonna put these in them. And all of the bell peppers, onion, cilantro, and jalapenos. And then my seasoning, and then ground beef. And then of course I have tortillas in the back. So I'm gonna cut this onion and put it in to my pan here in a minute. Chop them up. Onions are delicious. My poor husband. I love onions. These onions are so strong, it's gonna make me cry. Now we gotta add some heat. We like to leave the seeds in to have that extra heat, and it's so good. Now I'm gonna wash my hands so I don't touch my face or my eyes, so I don't burn myself with these hot jalapenos. Next, I'm going to chop up some beautiful bell peppers. I love me some bell peppers. And these are kind of the sweet ones. Look at these delicious habaneros that came out of our garden. I'm not gonna put them in the tacos today. If it was just me eating them, I probably would, but it's not. So, but these came from our garden. Isn't that awesome? Now it's margarita time while the stove is heating. Nothing goes better with Mexican food than a yummy margarita. I'm going to put the bell peppers in first to saute them because they're harder, so they take a little longer to saute. Now it's time to put the jalapenos in. I think these may be habaneros or bell peppers, so I'm gonna try it just to see because I have a couple different things in my garden. It's a bell pepper. I was right. I had an intuition. Now it's time for the onions. Next is the beef. Super simple tacos, but it's ground beef, all natural. And that means it's not fake beef. Get all those beans. You know what I like in my refried beans? A little bit of tahini. And actually, tahini is really good on everything. This is how I get my aggression out, people. While the meat is heating, I'm going to put in a half cup of water with the taco seasoning. Almost ready. Making tacos. I'm just killing time while the meat's cooking. Just killing time while the meat's cooking, so I'm gonna do my planks. Here we go. One arm. Time to pour the taco seasoning in. Okay, now we just gotta let the meat simmer for about 20 minutes. So we'll see you later in a microsecond. Cooking with FatMat's wife. I'm a way better cook than Matt. Maybe we could have a challenge. Beans, beans, the magical fruit. The more you eat, the more you chew. Time to warm up the tortillas. Yummy, yummy. So good. Hey guys, so check this out. If you are a healthy eater like me, or try to be anyway, I found these almond mission tortillas and they don't have wheat in them. So if you're a gluten-free person, these would be great to use. All right, everything is ready to make a yummy taco. Look at those yummy vegetables, guys. All those jalapenos. Meat, a little bit of beans, and a little bit of cheese. There we go. Look at that. I made a taco for Matt, and this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna top it off with some yummy cheese. Because he loves cheese. Hey Matt, dinner's ready.
Okay, be right there. You made dinner?
Yes, I made some yummy, delicious tacos.
That looks delicious. Thank you, babe. Put some salsa on there. Taste test time. That looks yummy.
I hope you like them. I slaved really hard over the stove.
I bet you
just
did.
to make these delicious, yummy tacos just for you.
All right.
It looks like a blob.
You didn't poison them, did you?
Just kidding.
All right, here goes. That's a stuffed taco. Mmm, that's spicy. Extremely delicious.
Does it have a kick to it?
It's got a kick to it, but it's really good. These are probably some of the best tacos I think I've ever made. I mean, you've ever made. Wow. You know what? I do like these a lot.
Nice. They have a good flavor.
They do. They really do. You're a dang good cook. I'm gonna have to challenge you.
Okay,
We'll have a cook-off.
bring it on.
Oh!
And I'm gonna make his mouth burn with all those jalapenos.
When you put a bunch in there, I can tell. Ooh, mama. After this one, can I have seconds?
Yep.
All right, cool. All right, your turn to do a taste test. Tell me what you think.
Okay. Mine are slightly different because they have different tortillas, so we'll see.
Are you sure you gave me the? Oh. How's the flavor? My mouth's still burning.
Pretty good.
You want to put some salsa on it and try it? Okay, cool, let's go. And Annie's over here waiting for something to fall off the table. Good girl. She's our vacuum cleaner. You're a good girl, Annie.
Look at that yummy salsa verde. Is that how you say it?
Yeah, I don't know. Salsa verde. Verde.
Verde. It's delicious. I think I should live in Mexico because I love Mexican food so much.
Mi esposa bonita.
But this is like Tex-Mex. That makes it so much better. Put a little bit of salsa on it.
Oh yeah.
You'll be good to go. Thank you so much for joining FatMat's Wife. It was so fun to cook with all of you guys. I hope you enjoyed. And now I'm gonna go finish my delicious taco. So see you later.